back to another video. My name is Jasmine, for those of you guys who are new, and for those of you guys who aren't new, welcome back. If you see the bald cap, you already know we're doing another wig install, and this one is from LUVME Hair. No surprise, this is the Paula unit, and y'all, I was so excited to try this wig because y'all see the color. Like, look at it straight out the box. It's literally so pretty. This is a 5x5 wig, so it does only have like that parting space right in the middle, and it does kind of have lines already made in the lace for where you would part it. An elastic band, you already know I love that in all of my wigs, and I just wanted to show you guys a little bit about how I like Bleach the Knots. And honestly, you probably really don't have to do this because LUVME Hair did upgrade all their quality of their wigs, so they do come pre-bleached, and they're not everything pre-plucked, but I like to go a little bit extra above and beyond. So I mixed that powder bleach and the 30 volume developer together to make like a toothpaste consistency paste, and I'm just putting that on the knots everywhere where the lace is at pretty much, and I'm just gonna let that sit for about 20 minutes. Once it's sat for 20 minutes, I'm just going to go ahead and rinse that out. I'm just rinsing it out in my sink. And after I do that, I do like to go in with a purple shampoo and just apply that directly onto the lace, just because I like to make sure that any brassiness or yellow tones are taken out of the lace, and even sometimes like in the hair. Again, above and beyond, very, very extra, but this is what I like to do. And then I'm just working in that remaining shampoo throughout the hair. You could definitely go in with like a shampoo and shampoo the hair, but y'all, I like to cut corners where I can. If this is a shampoo and I'm using it to lighten, I'm gonna rinse my hair with that same shampoo. So once that's worked through the hair, I just rinse it out and make sure it's rinsed out thoroughly so there's no like soap residue left in the hair at all, because sometimes that can like make the hair feel like stiff or like greasy. So you want to make sure all that shampoo is rinsed out. And after I'm done rinsing the wig, I personally like to let my wigs air dry. I just think it's, again, the lazy girl way. I don't like to like sit there with a blow dryer. I just leave it overnight, let it air dry, and by the morning it's completely dry. So this is the unit fully dried the next day. As you can see, I was like trying to show how thick this hair is. Like, it's very, very thick. Like, honestly, you don't get that a lot with blonde and lighter color units. I feel like they're always very thin, but this hair was very, very thick. So I just want to show you guys how I'm going to style this hair and like how easy this hair is to press out. So honestly, one pass and you're done. Like, that's one of the things I love about LUVME Hair and their quality of their hair, is that the heat like applies so evenly and nicely throughout these hair follicles, cuticles, I don't know what it's called, girl, but it's just so nice and easy. I did do 2 passes, I'm pretty sure, like throughout my entire head, just because I wanted it very, very sleek. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do that, and I'm not doing anything to the ends yet. I'm gonna bump them later. I'm just making sure that the hair is all straight first. So now I'm just going to go ahead and cut my lace. I'm just taking some small scissors, cutting it right in the middle, and then taking an eyebrow razor and kind of shaving it in like a zigzag motion, just so it looks more natural. And I will not be applying any glue, adhesive, anything to this wig at all. You honestly don't need it because it does have an elastic band. So y'all, like I said, the lazy girl way, cutting corners where I can. If I could avoid anything, I'm gonna do it. So no glue needed, and it's not necessary whatsoever. So now you can see me here. I'm just adding a slight little bump to the end because this is how the hair came styled before I washed it, with like a beautiful, gorgeous little bump. So I wanted to replicate that and just make it have that same hairstyle. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that to my whole head. And as y'all can see, it came out super duper cute. This color is something very, very different for me, kind of out my comfort zone. I am happy that I did try it. I think it looks really, really pretty. I kind of feel like it washes my skin tone out just because it's, I don't know, the hair seems like in the same color family as my skin. So I feel like it looks a little weird, but the hair quality, as you can see, the luster, the shine, the body is phenomenal. Like, it looks so pretty. You can see my fingers just running right through that hair. Thank you, LUVME Hair, for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to put my discount code on the screen to save you guys some money. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.